Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Assistive Touch not appearing on iPhone and iPad after iOS update. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Make sure that Assistive Touch is turned on. To check that, first launch Settings, then go to Accessibility, then go to Touch, tap Assistive Touch, check if it's turned on. If it's already turned on, turn off and restart your device. After restart, turn on Assistive Touch. Solution number 2. Turn off low power mode. When low power mode is turned on, some features will not be working properly. To avoid this, turn off it. To turn off low power mode, first launch Settings, scroll down and tap Battery and turn off low power mode. Solution number 3. Turn on airplane mode and turn off it. For that, first launch Settings, turn on airplane mode and wait for a few seconds. After that, turn off airplane mode. Solution number 4. Force restart your iPhone and iPad. To force restart iPhone, press home button and the power button at the same time until we see the Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Solution number 5. Reset all settings. When you do reset all settings, all your customized setting will go back to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. For that, first launch Settings, then go to General, scroll down and tap Reset and tap Reset all settings. Put your passcode and tap again Reset all settings to confirm this process. Solution number 6. Check for software update. To check software update, launch Settings, connect to Wi-Fi, go back, scroll down and tap General, tap Software Update and update your iPhone or iPad if available. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.